Okay, this is not capturing my sound, which is not useful. Okay, perfect. Just the background music to give some vibes. Yes. Just finishing up some stuff. I'll start the stream soon. I messed up. Sorry. I know that you are seeing my beautiful face, but I really need to do this. Okay. Let's see if it works properly. Okay. We are back. Finally, after such a long time, we are back. So, let me see if we're back. Okay, the microphone works flawlessly. So, what are you going to do today? Let me change the view. Let me close up this first. Yeah, I shouldn't. Maybe there's no problem with that, but yeah, I'll keep working on that later. So, okay, let me open up this. I just need to first open up everything, and then I'll start Thesis. See Thesis VR. And yeah, let's switch to the code. Hey. Oh my god. Hopefully this works without crashing, because I have a ton of stuff running on the background and I really need this to finish up before I get started. I know it's running. It doesn't show up, but I know it's running. Yeah, it's consuming me. For you guys to have like an idea, is like it's consuming me 12 gigs of RAM, which is a lot. The Docker, just the Docker, because I think I have a background task running that I need to test, but since it's not finished yet, I just need to wait. So let's update stuff. it's always updating. Like once you open JetBrains almost daily. I don't know, but at least I get a lot of updates because yeah. So now let's the updates run their things, and let's see if we can get everything to run properly. Yeah, the disk usage is increasing, so I think it's spinning up a new container because it's the only way. So sorry, back to work. Yeah, Unity is like lagging a lot just because of that, because like Docker is consuming a lot. So let me quit Docker. I'll stop Docker and I will quit Docker. Yes, sir. You can see it here. I'm quitting it. Nice. Now, what should I do today? Let me get to my task list because I created a task list. So let me change. It's loading. Thesis, yes. Okay. So I have some tasks. Okay. I do have some tasks. But let's see what I will start on. I'm gonna move this around so it will be with the stream, and I can see it. Yeah. So yes, perfect. Welcome to the stream, and thank you for coming. So now okay.
Hey, estás aí? Olá, o meu nome é Tecnoid e eu vou...
Yeah, the game is muted because I don't want to test the voices yet. The first thing that I need to test is like fixing bugs, consolidating other things to work, basically. Okay, so one of the problems that I had was basically this. I think I have... Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, I should restart. Let it just update because it was updating, so we need to make sure that it updates everything. Critical low to be like that. And I'll add another option like high. It's like high and like a medium one. Yes. It's loading. Let it index everything. Let me stop this. I need to fix this script. Because I want to have like a button to force interact. So I can basically force all of the interactions that I need in order to test the application. And I should do that for every mission as well. Because yeah, I have some. Yeah, complete mission. Like for example, this one. I think to grab interactable easier. And it's interacting with a mug interactable. No, it's on the mug and the mission. Yeah. All of this was changed, like the grabbable and my grabbable. Because like I was using OVR. I know that a lot of people are not watching, but I was basically using OVR, and OVR stands for the. Actually, I don't know the OVR meaning, but it's the Facebook SDK to develop in virtual reality, and basically, the problem is that if you try to use like global one. You don't have it, and now Unity came out with a XR integration, and I'm switching to that because if you only use OVR, it causes a lot of issues while upgrading to the next version, because they changed a lot, like from version 57 to 64. The change was so huge that my project stopped working at all. Yeah, it's wild, but it is what it is. So now we are just trying to fix stuff and make them and make my thesis work, honestly. So yeah, that's what we are going to do today. Let's start with simple tasks, right? I was waiting on this to work. I think the test execute just forces it, but honestly it doesn't force, because if the door is locked, right, it doesn't allow you to complete. It's not complete. Yeah. If door is locked with mission, and mission equals no. Hey, I got a like. Thank you. Thank you, my love. Mission complete. If the mission is not complete, you try to open the door. And this will only execute if the door is locked with mission. Yeah, because it will try to fetch the mission and execute it. And on try open door, invoke. What can we do with this? I know that something subscribes to it, right? Yeah. On door open, yes, something subscribes to it. So Okay, something is wrong here. Because like door locked with mission, but if the mission is not complete, let's say false, it will try to open the door, which doesn't make any sense, right? Only if the mission is complete, you should try to open it, not the other way around, because in let's further debug this, but for now okay, let's try it. Like, I shouldn't be able to open the door forcibly open the door, because like the door handler, door interaction, maybe door locked with mission, and we can see if, yeah, it's not complete, so it will try to open the door, and while doing so on door open, it will complete the mission, which doesn't make any sense, right? Because if you force, it will complete the mission, but at the same time, it's something that you want to happen, but it depends on the implementation. Like this, the door interaction or the door handler should not be enabled at all. It shouldn't. So find references in scene on door open, exactly. In a way, it shouldn't do it. Can I check all the references? Yeah. So the thing is, this shouldn't be enabled, right? Because it shouldn't. But since I lost a lot of references, Jesus, this shouldn't be enabled at all. This should only, okay, let's do it then. Scenes, final, intro room. Basically, this, the door handler, should not be enabled. But I know this will try to force it. Right? Sure, no worries about that. The thing is, this should not be enabled. Not this, actually. It's... this should not be enabled. And only enables it once this on mission complete active. Yes. And this is, oh, okay. I think the last part is actually grabbing. Yeah, it's grabbing the coffee. So after you grab the coffee, it will enable the door handler. And like, can I force? Oh, and I have also on narrative and okay, so I can create scriptables, missions, entry, and then I can do it like I can create something like this. Okay. And I'm gonna change to on entry porta, which means door. Then narrative. Yes, and then I'll put this as well. And then I can do it. And I can do it on narrative. And then it's voice line 16. And then you put this. Supposedly, it will work. Because I really don't like having everything enabled. So in a way, this will kind of prevent, supposedly, this will prevent like automatic, like you could go to the door and just forget all of the experience, and that's not what we want, right? Yeah. I have a problem with lights. Sorry, I really don't understand them. Because like you come here and you can see like the lights there, but this too don't work. Maybe it's because I have been doing like static stuff. Maybe? Contribute to global illumination and the global light. Spotlight. The spotlight doesn't have anything. Ah, interesting. Interesting. Yes. I really don't understand this. Maybe it has to do with the light probes. Maybe I really... this is so wild. Enter room. Let me delete this because this has to do with the lighting, light. Yeah, light. And I really want to freaking fix that. Sometimes I hate it. Honestly, I do hate it. Hopefully this doesn't like my computer. Hopefully. Yeah, and I'm gonna do like not dark, because dark I don't think it fits. So like a grayish sort of. And I don't have like baked stuff, so it really kills me. And I'm not baking anything, and I disabled the baking light. So No, what the hell is going on? Resolution, I don't want to have like a lot of resolution. Fog, bounces 1, intensity, skybox. If anyone knows how to light it, it could be really helpful stuff to figure out. Because I'm using baked stuff. They are important, so real-time shadows low. I don't want to have like performance hits. Near plane. It has to be the near plane. Yeah, I hate it. Ugh, Jesus. I really do hate it. And like, I don't know how to... If I press render, you'll see what I mean. Like this normally takes a lot of time. No, it didn't. Nice. But now I have the baked maps and I don't know why the hell the lights keep popping. No, I will test it. Anyway. Maybe the room doesn't contribute to the illumination. Nothing. This is static. Cast shadows. Doing lights in Unity is such an awful thing. Trust me. Hard shadows, soft shadows. Auto. You know that one. Yeah, that one. Huh. Oh my god, it has to do with no way. Needs to be there, right? No. This is like the mirrored room, right? No, this is wasting performance. Okay. I need to grab the VR headset. Okay. So I don't know how we are going to test it, but I'll try to do it both. Not both, please, not both. Okay. Yeah, I knew it. Oh gosh. VR user. So weird. Why? What the freaking hell? So weird. Jesus. Developing in VR, it's yeah. Hmm. And if I switch everything, like every light to not baked but mixed. Yes. something like that. And now, I don't care. It doesn't cost a lot, hopefully. Real time? I really don't understand what the hell is going on with this. Ah, gosh. Lights in VR are just something else. Really. Maybe I'm focusing on the wrong things, but... I know that spot is just always glowing. And other stuff... Oh. Why? Just why? Can I delete it? Now we play. I don't know. This is so messed up. This is... okay. Let's continue the development. Lights, I need to focus on another day because I don't know what the hell is going on. Right? Oh, maybe it's the light probes. Generate. Okay. I didn't know that I had that. Maybe... like this, for example. Yeah, it's generating the light map. But from what I know, this doesn't work well. Maybe I don't like, I can only have a certain number of lights in the scene, which could make sense. I don't know. Because like these lights are not doing anything. This either. This. Yeah. So I don't have a lot of lights. But maybe. Anyway. Let's put this here. Let's do it again. Okay. Forget about the lights. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we are going to the preloaded stuff. You know, I don't know how to force stuff. Sure. Okay. This one, and this one. So yeah, I did move. What? What? Um. Automations. It's here like analogic. It doesn't have anything assigned to it. And I'm just gonna force it. Right? On complete mission. That's what's going to happen. And I press it. Okay. Now it should be here. Right, and supposedly, like, yes, and then this, no, okay, so Grab coffee. Displays. And you completed like the grab object stuff. Yes, and then you're now going to be faced with door related stuff, but I don't know like the voice lines. So maybe it's getting triggered, maybe it's not getting triggered, I don't know. Let's wait and see, right? Oh, it was triggered. Nice. So if everything worked correctly, yeah, it's enabled. And now I pressed once. Mission is not complete, which now it seems to be. And then on open door. And I should have a mission, because if I press again it will work and I don't want to force it. So what I want to do is, okay, live room, no, intro. In the missions tab, yes, on mission complete. Because like what I want to do is on the narrative end. On narrative end, it's voice line 17. Okay. So I'm gonna put it here. And then after the voice line plays, I want to create something like an handler to just execute the teleport, because on door open, try to open the door and it just opens the door. The problem is that it doesn't do anything else, right? Because I need to wait for because I need to wait for the mission to complete. Scripts, interactions, door light. No, it's not. Intro room. No. Let's add a new systems, door interaction system. No, I think it's in the mission systems interactions. Yeah. On door open, on disable door interaction. See, I told you, I knew it, I had it. I'm gonna create another one on mission complete teleport. Yes. Mission complete. But I don't want to do this. No, yeah, I need to do this. What the hell I'm talking about? So it's basically that. And I'm gonna put on enable. On disable. Because you should do it there. On mission. This way. And then I'm gonna grab the door. Oh, 2 door handlers? What? Okay. Here. Okay. Let's do it. Let's complete the missions from here, like force it. So wait, this, and then we wait a bit because the voice lines and whatnot. Then we do this. Then we wait a bit. Then we do this. And supposedly Yeah, because I want to finish the voice line and then teleport. So let's see if this works. It should be automatic, right? Yes. Yes. Why the hell? Yeah, they are missing a lot of scripts. Jesus. Yeah, I had a lot of issues regarding this. So let's go to the room, to the time hall. Yeah. And remove like scripts that are missing. Like, for example, this should be enabled, yes. But mission door 1, mission door 2, yes. Yep. Regarding like my scriptables, are they enabled? Mission 2, actually in order. Let's enter, then I think it's like this. What? Yeah. I don't know the actual order. Oh gosh. Enter back finish questionnaire, okay. Even the first one. Enter back finish questionnaire. Enter back finish questionnaire. Enter back finish questionnaire. Enter back finished questionnaire. Enter back finished questionnaire. And they are all complete, which doesn't make any sense, right? Okay, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. Now let's see the code. It checks if it, yeah, that's why it was working, because the missions were finished. And yeah, so just for the test, it might fail because some dependencies, but let's see. Yeah. Okay, so it's clear. It's telling me that I have an audio listener, or I don't have an audio listener. I think it's that I don't have an audio listener. Right? Audio. I have audio source, but I don't have an audio listener. Yes. So let's go to the preload. Yeah, I'm fixing stuff as I go because this is just wild. But at least we are getting somewhere, which is awesome. Okay, what I can do is basically I can force the I really want to force this like this. I'll play this voice line, and then this supposedly will be enabled. Yes. And then I force test execute, and it plays the voice line, and it teleports you, and yes, you get here. Now the lights are correct. Nice. We have some null references. Let me check. Missions. Yeah. Missions. It's always on the, yeah. This is, yeah, I need to fix this. Gosh. I think this is like narrative system. No, it's like narrative. It has to do something like that. Enable on. I saw it one like on disabled door interaction. I kind of know. I need to get my... I don't know what it is. Okay. Okay. Fight.
Blubmusters3 says, hi, what's up?
Hey, Twitch? Yes, welcome. Welcome, Blobmaster. I'm calling my thesis. I think I have not updated the Twitch stuff. But welcome to the stream. So we are making progress, I think. At least I'm fixing as I go, which at least it's something. Narrative object, and I'll remove one of them. And I know that you have another one. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I think this will be like unfinished questionnaire. For example, Anthony Lavoisier. I don't know which one is the first one, but I'll assume this. And then the mission. Anthony Lavoisier. Mission door, no. Corridor, no. Talk room, lab, entry. So like, I'll say like back finished, and then mission to complete, or something like that. Like unfinished questionnaire will be something like Anthony Lavoisier, and then the mission, I'll complete the questionnaire, and then this will trigger something. I don't know. I like this is so weird. And this will be like on teleport, on object, on grab, on narrative, and on finish questionnaire. I know that I have something related to that, like in the VR user. I know that the tablet system, I don't know if it subscribes. Like I would say for this, it's like, I would assume that will be something like talk room. Oh, so like talk room, then I'll add another talk room, right? Brownstead and Svent, and then Sorensen, and then I'm not doing by order, okay? But I'm just doing it. So if I'm doing by order, it's this. Yeah, okay. And then what they will do is on scene change, it will verify setup last mission. Yes. And then it shows the tablet when you change the scene. So it makes sense. It kind of makes sense. It's not perfect. I'm telling you, like, I lost a lot of references. I lost a lot of stuff. And yeah, I'm sad about it. But honestly, what can you do? Nothing. So fuck it and let's resolve it. Let's fix it, like always. So I'm assuming like the first mission, it's always like before entering the room. At least that's my thought process. So before entering the room, it talks. Then when you open the door, you have that thing that teleports you. And then, yeah, after you finish that, so what I'm gonna do, the flow is like, you enter, you open the door, and then you get teleported. No, before you get teleported, something needs to happen. So it's like you try to open the door, but it doesn't automatically teleport you, which makes sense.
App says, "Hey, happy Wednesday. What game you developing?"
Hey, App. I'm developing AB. I don't know your name, but I'm developing my thesis. It's a VR development, which is for students to. It's for chemistry students to walk in a VR environment and learn the history of chemistry, Plus, it has interactions at the end that allow you to experience chemistry, like using bottles with reactions inside of it and pour it into, for example, a lock, and then it dissolves the lock. For example, that's one of them. The other one is just measuring the pH level. Another one is answering flashcard questions. Yeah, there's others, but that's mainly it. It's just an experience for students to help them like hopefully learn in the process and make the experience of learning better. But that's the goal that I'm trying to achieve. So yeah. Okay. Now let me think. The process of this is like, I want the mission. So I'll do like something like enter.
App says, interesting. All the best, my friend. I did my thesis last year. It's business related.
Nice. I should have done mine like 3 years ago, but let's not talk about it. Okay, but yeah. I'm not proud. I'm not proud of it. So yeah. IT business related. That's awesome. Honestly, that's awesome, dude. Mission 3.
App says, better late than never, smiley face.
Yeah. Indeed. Now, like, when you are doing your thesis, you didn't experience what I did. Like, I was close to finishing it, and then the references of this project got messed up, and basically all of my work was, not all of it, but mostly was thrown into a bin. So I need to basically reconfigure the whole experience, which is awful. But yeah, you'll learn as you go, right? This is awful.
App says, oh, that's rough. We live and we learn. Drop the sub.
Thank you for the sub. Hopefully. This is mission 5. Yeah, and this mission should on I kind of have like the things in order. Because I have like, gosh, on backtalk room. Let me see if I can think what could be I think it will be like this one, right? Because you open the door, you listen to the voice line, but on back talk room, it's when you come back and you need to do the questionnaire. So, mission. Back finished, for sure. Then Antoine Lavoisier. And mission to complete. So it doesn't make any sense using the both like the back finish twice. So like so this is basically checking the mission. So let me see. So I need to check if the room was complete. Right? So we check if the room is complete. And I will change the name. Mission room. Complete. So it's better in terms of knowing what the hell this is supposed to be. Okay, which is awesome. Amazing. So now we do like Antoine Lavoisier. So the full mission is complete. We check the room. I don't know what we have in the room, but we check the room. Do we need to check the room? What do we do with this? Nothing. Oh, actually we do. Nice. And then we finish it. We finish this. On back finished. So this makes sense. So let's remove it. Let's remove it. Let's paste. Component is new. And I'm gonna do this for every single one of them. Remove component, paste. It's new. So it does make sense. Then okay. Okay, and this remove unfinish questionnaire. Perfect. Okay, so we have references now. Gosh. This is torture. This is not Antoine Lavoisier. I don't know how to pronounce it. And now it's the other room. This is not Brownstead and Laurie. This is, I think it's Humphrey. It should be Humphrey. Humphrey Davy. Then the third door is, it's either Sorensen. Yeah, it's Savant. Savant Arrhenius. And this is door 3, back finished. And then this is related to Antoine Sorensen, door 4, questionnaire. How many doors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes. Door 4, back finished. This is Sorensen. Nice. This is Rainius, and this will be Brownstead and Laurie. And this is Mission 5, back finished. So, if I'm not wrong, they need like a narrative object. Because like after they come back, it automatically finishes that quest, but something needs to happen before they open up the questionnaire. So they need to listen to the song. So let's do that. Yes. Listen to a song, no, listen to the narrative, because I have voice lines that plays after they come back. It's like reinforced learning, so it's 28 to 31. 28 to 31, and this will play with a delay, not on start and on mission finished, back finished. Okay, perfect. And I think regarding to the user, actually the tablet system, yeah. Oh god, it lost all the references. Oh jeez. Oh no. Oh freaking hell. Let me save everything, and then I will commit to Git after some time, because Jesus. This is Humphrey, so underscore Humphrey. Humphrey. This is Svant. So yes. Then again, Svant. This is Sorensen. Again, Sorensen. Then Brownstead Laurie. Again, Brownstead Laurie. Jesus. And the questions. At least the questions are here. Oh, nice. Thank God. So now we have them back. Nice. Now we need to do this like missions. I don't know why I have this here, but yeah. I think the tablet system automatically turns the tablet on. I think so. So show tablet. Let me see. Yes, indeed it does. Okay. Nice. At least I'm getting somewhere now. And of course this needs to be... Yeah, it's locked with mission 5, which makes sense. Mission 4. Yes. Okay, so in here it does something. So I know, like, I'll try to put at least the voice lines. This is like from the 24th till the 27th. After voice line, no, with a delay. After a voice line. And yeah. And narrative. And I'm gonna put like the 24th, 27th. And I should do like enter narrative, because yeah, I was not doing this way, but now I'll do this way, honestly. I think I'm gonna create another thing that will be like on door open, I cannot do like play narrative, but on door open play narrative, and then I'll need to wait. Because I need to wait on narrative end. No worries. It's basically on narrative end, and this is play after mission. On this, and this will be enter. Oh, enter narrative. And then after this, I could put on narrative and teleport, but I'll do teleport execute. No. Oh, thunderstorm! Yay! Hopefully it doesn't kill my connection. Jesus. So on mission complete teleport. Yeah. Mission complete. Teleport. And I think this way it's like obvious what the hell is going to happen. Like, I know the flow it's weird, but I need to write it down. Because it finishes the voice line, even though it doesn't have it, but whatever, forget it. It opens the door automatically and teleports you. The doors are supposedly locked. Not fully locked, but locked. I'm gonna put like rename mission corridor entry. I'm still streaming. Hey. Okay. My internet got down for a sec. Nice. I'll do more 20 minutes. I'll try to finish this up because I really am proud that I'm making really good progress into this. So I'm kind of proud of it, honestly. I really am, which is awesome. Entry. Then this one is complete. Honestly, this one is complete. I think this is like on mission complete activate. It's something related on disabled or interaction. Yeah, it's on disabled art interaction for damn sure. On disabled art interaction. Why would you ask, right? Why it's that one and not the other ones? What about it? Because let's be honest. Mission. Everything needs to do something, right? This is the first mission and I need to select the first door handler. So it's locked. Like, it's unlocked, but it's locked in a way. So you couldn't like, oh, okay, let me open the door and like, no, just doesn't work that way. And I think this is not the optimal way because I shouldn't do like enable, because I should do it like this. Honestly. Why? Right? Why? Because you shouldn't be able to only on the object, since the logic changed and I cannot detect if the game object was triggered, and the only way I do that is by doing this, like the whole object. But yeah, that's my point. It's there. Okay, perfect. And for example, this shouldn't be in here. It should be on the enable, because this stuff will be activated every time. So I'm making improvements while I return the development to my thesis, which is nice. And doing this while streaming, I can also fix mistakes and learn. Yeah. Amazing. And for example, this one on disable DAR interaction. This is simple. This is mission 2, but the disable is like only play after the first DAR is fully completed. So when the questionnaire finishes, it will auto trigger, but yeah. And the new DAR interaction is this one. So yeah. And the more you know. I'm really amazed with this. And this on DAR interaction, on DAR open, sorry. Yeah. This is play after mission. Yeah, stuff like that. Like, and I will have some voice lines that will play, like, if you are waiting too long, to basically increase the interaction with the user and not force it, but like, hey, come on, hey, this is the way, like stuff like that to increase the user interaction. Okay, this is the first DAR. Let's complete the first DAR, which is awesome. So when the narrative ends, the mission finishes. And what now? So back finishes. And this finishes the questionnaire, right? Or what does the questionnaire finishes? Because I really don't know what the hell does the questionnaire, like when you finish the questionnaire, it should finish something, right? Does the tablet system have that? Or it's the tablet, right? Maybe it's the tablet that should have that. Yeah, but maybe I have lost that. But the tablet system had code for that, right? Set up questions for mission, and then it grabs the questions. Tablet set up questions. Set up questions. What the hell does this do? Yeah, it set up the question. What the hell happened? I heard something. Thank you? Oh, a follower. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. So, previous finish quiz. What the hell does the finish quiz do? It creates a JSON utility, parses, and on quiz finish. What the hell does this do? On quiz finish. On finish questionnaire. And on quiz finished. It will trigger, so if the mission to check are the name, mission name. Oh, this should be end, right? The mission. Like the mission, for example, let's do name. The mission to check name. Oh, it's the same thing, right? Yeah, it's the same thing. Incomplete. So yes. This will no. I want to see the invoke. Yeah, invoke mission. So I give you the mission, right? Yes, I give you the mission. Set up quest for mission. Last mission. But that mission is already completed. Oh gosh. So basically I have a questionnaire. Let me think. Like this mission will already be completed. Like this mission will be already completed. By the way, this will be already completed once you finish up all the quests inside of each room. It will automatically complete because they have child quests. So either I create like questionnaire stuff, and I think that's the wisest choice, honestly. How do you write questionnaire? Questionnaire? I don't know. So this will be like, yeah, I created a lot of stuff for my thesis, but yeah. Mission, new mission. So this will be mission. Finish. Okay. Questionnaire. Mission questionnaire. Antonia Lavoisier. Something like that. Let me rename like Sorensen, Svanteranius, Free Davy, Brown Laurie. Okay. So basically, I created this mission, so like it's related to the tablet and it's easier to know, like maybe. So in this case, instead of checking this mission because it will be completed on start, which doesn't make any sense, honestly, I can put like, because I don't have like tablet, right? Yeah, I don't. So lab entry, door. So I created the questionnaire. Makes perfect sense to me, which is amazing. then once you finish the questionnaire, it automatically triggers the other one. That's the other one that I need when the quiz finishes. So I know what to check next. And I'll do this for everything. So this is questionnaire. This is Amfree. And this is questionário, sorry, Portuguese. Again, questionnaire. Amfree, I think is Savant. Antoiniel, Amfree, Savant. Muy bien, très bien, très bien. Questionnaire, yes. This is questionnaire as well. So this is Sorensen, because the last one is Savantarenius, and we know that already. So this is like door 5 questionnaire. Then we do like questionnaire. Okay, perfect. This is so damn hard, but we are getting there. I think I have set up almost everything, which is amazing. Not gonna lie. Like, I need to set up this. Right. This is door 1. Is this correct? Yeah. This is door 3, the knob, and this is door 2. Oh, it will only open after that mission is finished. So yeah. The same thing goes for door 4, door knob, and mission door 3. Only after the mission 3, it will finish the door. Nice. The same thing goes for door 5. Door 5. Only after the door 4 is finished, it will allow you to proceed. The same thing should happen to this one. So I should have like this, and it will be on this, and sorry, door 5. And I think it's not door 5, it's actually the corridor, because only after the corridor is finished it will allow you to open that door. So I need to select the doorknob right now. Perfect. And I think I'll move. I will move this to here. Maybe not. I'll create a child, an empty. Mission door, mission entry corridor. So we know that on the corridor entry, we know that the mission, that voice line at least should be there. It's the first thing that should play when you enter. It shouldn't be on start, okay? It should play like, yeah, this is weird. On scene on. me see if I have something related to that. Like, I'll need to create something related to this because I need a special thing that will only trigger once. That's basically it. Like, when you come from something, you need to check it. So let me do like on finish questionnaire. Let me clone this one, for example. And I'm gonna put on scene change. What I want to do on scene change and do something on scene change. Yeah, that actually works. And I have something on back talk room. Okay. The thing with on back talk room is that this could be triggering a lot of stuff, right? Imagine you come back from a talk room and it should trigger all of the others. No, it should trigger only once, right? So I need to do something related to this. That should be like on enable. And I'm gonna do like scene manager dot instance, not instance, but dot yeah, something like that. And do I have something that already uses this? Yeah, I do have it. Like what I do here. I'm gonna do something like that. Okay. So basically what I want to do is import scene mode. So I don't want to load the new scene, but can I do this? My scene dot like time hole. So I want to do like when this is loaded, I want to do something like, okay, on scene change, private serializable fields, bool, trigger only once. How can I make it? Let me answer my phone real quick. One sec. I'm back. Yeah. Nice. So what about now? I think like for today, I think we are making a lot of progress, and I'm happy with the progress that I'm making. So I'm gonna implement this correctly. I know that I have to do tablet quiz. This is gonna be eliminated as well. Okay. But I need this. Basically, I really want to trigger this once. So if I do a static, it will be per class, which doesn't make any sense doing that. Yeah, I don't know how I will solve it. I'm gonna think about it, honestly. Because if you think about it, how can you have a global... Maybe I need like a manager to keep registered which missions I have already played. I know that missions have their own thing, but like if you reconnect to the scene, honestly, you'll have a lot of completed missions, right? And they will trigger a lot of stuff because it already completed, unless you check the last mission. But even though, like, even then, it's really hard. But it's the only way. Checking the last mission? Yeah, it's like the only way. You need to check the last mission and check if the mission that you are checking, like the mission that you want to run, it's already completed. Because it's the only way. Right? I think so. Because I cannot play on start. Because if I play on start, every time you load that scene, it will play that voice line, which doesn't make any sense. And even playing after a mission, it's hard. Like, dude, it's really hard. Yeah, I need to think about it. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. So I want to thank everyone that came to the stream and interacted. Any way that interacted, doesn't matter. At least they interacted and talked with me. Thank you for being here. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Have a great day and hopefully see you next week. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll try it. I need to come back to the streams because I like doing it. And I really need to finish my thesis. Tomorrow, hopefully I'll be working as well on my thesis, and I will try to do it not every day, but daily, so progress will be made. And like the time all got a facelift. That's what I can tell you. Like it really did get a facelift. So yeah. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for coming, and see ya.